Are you like me in that your hair is always growing and needs to be cut? And are you also like me in that you're always looking for another way to save money? Well, this video just might be for you. A while ago, a friend of mine said, if you go on Amazon and buy a clipper set and cut your own hair, you can save a lot of money. And I thought, you know what? I'd like to give this a try. Alright, so the garbage bag is in place. It's going to catch it won't catch quite every hair. Put a bit of oil on this. Alright, so my goal here is to make it really short on the sides and gradually get a little bit longer coming up to the top and pretty much keep it as long as it is right now on the top, because that's how I like to cut my hair. Alright, so we're off to a pretty good start here. I'm just going to do the other side now. Alright, see how easy this is? And I'm saving so much money. Here's a tip though, never tell anyone that you cut your own hair. Because if you do, then they'll just really start to scrutinize it. Like if they see you got a haircut and they're like, oh, hey Ricky, nice haircut. And just say, thanks. Internalize it. Don't say, thanks, I actually cut it myself. Because then they get right up in your face and they're gonna look and they're gonna see all the mistakes. So don't tell anyone that you cut your own hair. Just between you and you. So now what I'll do is take the shortest guard, the number 1, and bring it up to about here, and then I'll take the number 2 and bridge the gap. That's how I achieve that perfect, smooth, gradual increase. Perfect, smooth, gradual increase. Alright, I've come to my first kind of bump in the road. I think I was just a bit aggressive with the number 1. I'm not really quite liking how there's still too much of a distinct line. But I have a plan. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take it all short, all around the back, and keep it long on top, because that'll still look cool. So plan B. But it's still worth it because I'm saving money. Alright, so it definitely needs some more touch up here. I think I got it just a little bit higher on this side than I did on this side. I'm just gonna bring this side up just a touch. Shoot, I think I got it just a bit too high on this side now. So this haircut isn't quite going as planned, but still, come on. But compared to paying 20 bucks for a haircut, I'd still take this any day. Yeah, I think I'll just take a little more off of this side. Just a bit more. Even it out and take just a tad more off this side. I think then I'll be good. Just go to a barber. It's not worth the pain. Hello again. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, hit that thumbs up button and also leave a comment down below and tell me about the time that you cut your own hair. That was a test. Don't leave a comment below telling me. Don't tell anyone. They don't need to know. Internalize it. Internalize it. Oh yeah, and subscribe or whatever.